Okay, so today we are going to try and replace the cabin lights. So these are the standard ones that I have currently in my car, the ones like which lit yellow, as you can see. So we have both the sides. This is front, and we'll do for the center one as well. So in front we have these two, and in some models you may see there will be only one, or in some models there will be only at the center, but in our model of the car we have got two, but I think mostly process for replacing them will be similar, so I'm just going to tell you how you can do that. And so let's start. What you have to do is you have to take out this white panel, use something, a tester or any plier which is thin enough to go on the side, and it can be pulled out easily. This is just the plastic part. Just make sure the bulbs will be a bit hot, so they should be cooled down before you try and take them out. So after taking out this plastic part, just remove this reflector so that you can easily take out bulb. So it will be just standard pull-up button like that. So this is, you say this is the T-type connector, W5W bulb. This is 5 watts, and there are plenty of LEDs available. You can get it from any online store or anywhere, and these are usually just plug and play, these white LEDs, and we will just try to fix them and replace them in place of this. So let's see. This works. And now we will put back this reflector also. Ensure it is properly fitted and fixed on the place. Yes, works fine. And then we just put back this. Yeah, it is a good white LED. And in the similar way we will take out panel of the other side. So we have now replaced the yellow LEDs with these white ones. I think they look good. Nice white light in the cabin. Now let's go back on the and replace the middle one as well. Okay, this is the middle one that we had. We replaced that one in the front, and now we will be replacing the one in the center. So for this to be replaced, you just take out this whole assembly, use a tester or something. This will come out, whole unit, very easily. And there you see, there we have our bulb that we want to replace. That is the normal halogen bulb. The connector that we have is the Fastun type connector. And let me see what I've got as the replacement. So this is the type of replacement LED I've got. These are called as Fastun type connector LEDs, and they will be simply plug and play. We will take out our existing halogen similar type and then put this back. So let's go. Take out this bulb, it will come out easily. This is the small holder sort of that you can just open a bit and then take out the existing one and then put back on the same place our new LED. Looks good. As you can see, we have fitted in the replacement LED that we have. Let me give you a closer look. This is the LED that you can see we have replaced from that fast-tune connector, and you can see it has to be upside facing. The lights should be facing the white panel, because once you close it will come on that front side, and on the back you see that's the heat sink, and yes, it glows very well. And now we will just simply close this panel. Fix this back as it was. Yes, you have that glowing white light. Just try and ensure that both the LEDs that you purchase, try and purchase it from the same manufacturer, because usually, or at least look at the white light capacity. Usually it comes in Kelvin. These are the 6000 Kelvin ones. So if you see, the color of both the lights are same. Otherwise you will find few of them as bit blue in color, or some of them pure white, but this looks to me really pure white for both. You see white there as well, and there.